Alright, so these trees that we usually park our cars under keeps getting all this sticky pollen stuff all over the car. This stuff is really sticky and it's not that easy to get off with the hose. So today I'm going to go ahead and give a car wash of my choice the sticky tree droppings challenge. We'll see if we can get all this stuff off the car before we have to sell the car. It's not that easy. Okay, we are in downtown Carson City, and last I checked on Google Street View, I found that there is a car wash over here near the Little Caesars, so we'll go ahead and check that out. All right, we are here. We'll go ahead and take a look at this. This looks totally dead. Aw, darn it, it's a Laser Wash M5, and it's completely dead. Look at this. Look at this. This doesn't work. Well, it was a good shot. Look at that, it's a Laser Wash M5. Would have been my first one. Minus the one that I found in California in Aptos, where there's a Laser Wash 360. Dang it. Well, we're gonna have to try something else. Okay, so with the other wash being out of service, I figured we'd go back and try the soft touch bay here at the Squeaky's car wash that I visited almost a year ago now. Now, if you remember last time I was here, you may remember that we went through the touch-free bay, which had a touch-free DNS-IQ system in it. So let's go ahead and see what the soft touch bay is like, which is also a DNS-IQ. All right, so here we are, and it appears that the red light is burned out, but that's no big deal. Here's our cash machine.
Thank you. When the wash is ready, please pull forward into the wash.
All right. I don't need a receipt, so I think we're done with that machine now. So now we just gotta wait for this truck to exit, and then we'll go. And I noticed that it says that I have to lower my antenna, but the antenna on here cannot be lowered, which kind of sucks. So all we gotta hope is that it just doesn't damage it, and if it does, then oops. I think this dude up ahead is getting their spot-free rinse. Can't see a thing. Get the wipers going. I think I get the idea, DNS. And it appears that the red light is burned out, but that's okay. Hopefully I pulled in the right spot. I'm expecting this DNS-IQ to be a bit older than the one back in Reno. This car does not have the sunroof in it, but the Subaru does. I think this is our triple phone. And rocker panel blasters. That was very loud, but rocker panel blasters as well. Shut the car off here. It looks like we're beginning our soft touch cycle. a second I thought it was stuck. Never mind. Now it's going to get the back. The front of the car seems a lot better than it used to be. That's a nice sound. Hopefully this goes for it again, because I don't really feel that it got a lot of it off. And it looks like it is. Okay, good. That's why I like DNS IQ systems a lot better than the Ryko systems when they're programmed right, and this one looks like it is. Here come our brushes. And there goes my antenna once again. That is not a nice noise, but so that's gonna head back up for the last time. Now we get our, most likely our rinse. Why is it stopped? There we go. I think that's our spot for rinse, is it? Nope, that wasn't. Okay. This is probably our spot for rinse right here. Then again, I'm not really good with assuming things. An empty pass. I don't know what it was with that empty pass, but spot-free water appeared to be applied good, so move my mirror out of place. Seconds. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop over here and quickly fix some things, and then I'll go ahead and head home and we'll see what it looked like. But it looks like it did a fantastic job, minus the fact that my mirror was popped out of place, so I gotta go ahead and fix that real quick. So that's it for just a second. Right, so this is after the car wash here, and it looks a lot better than it did before, but it didn't get everything off. There's some stuff on here that's like glued on, and this stuff didn't even come off one time at all. That there is tree sap, and that is not coming off. But overall, it did a very good job. It looks a lot better than it did before. There's like a whole splash of water here that was dried up. That's all gone. So yeah, once again, I'm pretty impressed with Squeaky's Car Wash in Carson City. Have a good day, everyone.